My dog Nick just not pulling up. Let's see what he talking about, man. Get his inside take on the car, how he like it. It's Nick.
What up, fool? My nigga, nah.
My dog Nick, man.
Hey, yes, sir. I'm in this thing, boy.
Right, yes sir, yes
Damn,
sir.
what?
All right now. Your 5 things, man, that you like about the car.
5.
That you can just spot out.
I'll talk to the red, boy.
Okay, the
I
red.
like blue, you know that?
Right.
The red pop.
Right.
Then you got a sunroof with this mug, boy. And the digital dad. Nigga.
Okay.
I mean, the 3.
Yeah, that's 3 right there.
3 and then more spaceship, boy.
You
know what I'm saying? My nigga got a challenge. And then the black, bro. You know what I'm saying? That black pop.
The inside the black.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I see. Okay. Now, what about your dislikes though? What you don't like about the car? Now you can, bro. You can be real now.
Nothing not
you can
like
be real
about the car. Just being real with you, bro.
I mean, man, my own. Yeah.
Damn, bro. I ain't got that motherfucker, bro.
Then let me see. It's a pretty decent car though. It's a pretty decent car. I'ma mod the hell out of it though.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make this more faster. I'm damn sure make it more faster, man.
True. It well, my man got a challenge. I got a Malibu.
Man, look, that thing. Hey, look, you got them things sitting on some 20s over there, boy.
Factory.
Factory rims, man. Factory. It's all good. I mean, you got to start from somewhere, bro. At least you got some. Most people, you know what I'm saying, don't really got nothing like that. That's not to be funny. That's actually a nice car for your first car, ain't it?
Yeah.
Your first car. You got a Malibu.
True.
The dark blue one over there.
Man, ain't nothing like this motherfucker right here, boy.
I mean, bro, you gonna get this. You gonna get this. I know you gonna get it. I already know you gonna get it now. You start it up, man. See how it sound. Little song. Love. You know what I'm saying? Little loving. You know what I'm saying? All right, hey Nick, I want you to rev the engine up a little bit. 2-step it.
True.
2-step it for me. See how loud this thing can get, man. 2-step it for me, man. Okay. It actually sound way much better, you know what I'm saying, outside. Yeah. You look, hey, you the perfect man for this car. This can be your car, boy, for real. Nick, you pull up, look, close the door. Close the door, let the window down. Now look, you pulling up to a party, how you gonna get out, Nick? How you gonna ooh, just like that. Ooh, oh yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, that boy gonna do a full walk around the whole car. Around the whole car. Yeah. Yeah. Tell him, hey.
My boy.
Now I'm telling y'all, man, I'm gonna change those lights. I'm gonna get some Halo Edition lights, man, for the front. Get them a different color and all that, and of course change the tires. I believe I need some Mickeys on this thing, man. And I think my traction control is like off, bro. So I've been doing burnouts on the way here, like shit. Yeah, bro. It's crazy. This car, bro. This car fast now. You will have to keep looking at the dash, bro, to keep up. You know what I'm saying? To keep up with your speed, because if you ain't gonna look at that dash, bro, you're gonna be doing at least about 90, and you ain't gonna even know it.
Let's see, my boy.
90 off real. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Or give it a thumbs down. I don't care. I'ma still keep posting.